What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. Look, I am out here at A1 Cigar Bar and Lounge with the Hard Riders of Houston. I'm not gonna lie, man, I had a good time yesterday, but today is a new day. Y'all can see how amped up and excited I am, man. It's been a long night, and when I say a long night, it's been a great one, man. So look, check me out. I'm over here with all the Harley riders right now, man. I ain't never seen this parking lot filled up with nothing but bikes, and today is actually looking pretty great, man. So with further ado, man, y'all know what time it is, man. It's your boy Everything Regular. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to get back to what we doing and do best, man. Y'all know what time it is. The bikes is here, so let's see what's up, man. Y'all stay tuned, and let's see who up in this thing, man. It's movie. Okay, as we look around, we got the oohs with the ahs. We gonna just take a little walk through real quick. My boy's sitting on 4Gs, man. Y'all already know who this is, man. My boy's sitting on 4Gs, man. We're gonna get back to him later, man. Let's just check out what bikes we got up in this joint. We got the Street Glide, we got the Honda. I need this guy to get a Harley Davidson, but it's all good. He riding on twos. We got the Road King with the oohs and ahs. He got like some gold Daytons on that joint. Gold on gold Daytons with the brown on brown. Okay. I see you got the Street Glide over here. I love this green. You guys know green is absolutely my favorite color. Of course, he's got the spoke wheels too. Pretty cool looking bike. Another Street Glide. Let's see what else we got up in here, man. Let's see something else that is gonna catch my attention. Is anything here gonna catch my attention? Okay, we got a trike here. Let's see what this trike is looking like. I haven't seen this color scheme on Harley yet. It may be something customized, and again, it may be something different just because I haven't had a trike myself personally, so I probably just haven't seen it yet, but it does have Screaming Eagle on the side of the oohs and ahs. It is the Road Glide front end, and he is riding big 114 on there with the Big Daddies on the back. I want to know if you guys can like burn rubber on these, man. If you guys can like do donuts on these, man, let me know. I want to see if we can do donuts on this joint. I definitely would love to try. Man. Let's see what else we got out here. And I'm not trying to get copyright. Meanwhile, we are up here at A1 Cigar Bar and Lounge in Houston, Texas, man. If y'all ever in the city, man, come check us out, man. You know what time it is. We got another Road Glide with a Big Daddy. He got the 26 on there. I would say 23, but it's definitely 26 with the oohs on the ahs on that thing. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hell
sir.
yeah, man. Tell them where we at one time.
H-Time, baby. A1 Cigars is going down.
Come on, man.
About a 24 year.
The 24 week with Kobe right now, right?
Fuck with us, baby.
It's Kobe. The Kobe year. Come on, man. I'm with my guy, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's up. Yes, sir.
It's going down H-Time this weekend, baby.
My God.
Get here.
For sure. Y'all better get here, man. Y'all missing out.
Bound from Dallas, baby.
Hey, it's a movie, man. Good seeing you, bro. Hell yeah. Then we got another 24 right here. Come on, another 24. He got the backrest with the tour pack. I think we seen this one yesterday. I'm pretty sure he gonna be out all night. What's up, man? How you, man? I ain't seen you in forever, man. How you doing?
Hey, man.
Good seeing you, man.
Tough titty, but the milk's still sweet.
Oh, the milk's still sweet. Oh my God.
We're gonna keep pulling on
man, tell them where we at one time, man.
Say, man, we're at A1, man. Celebrate Hard Riders.
Hard Riders, man. What year is this? What year?
24 years.
The 24th. Is that Kobe or what?
This motherfucker say.
Come on, man.
Yeah.
0 of them give me. We ain't playing.
Yeah.
Tell them we ain't playing, OG.
Number 8, man. 24, Kobe, man.
Yeah, come on, man. I'm with the guy. Come on, man. You can't leave me hanging. It's love, man. Come on. Y'all see what's going on out here, man. We got the Road Glides back to back. He got the, I believe this is a 21 on this. Got the number 1 on there. That must mean it's kind of fast or something. We got another Road Glide right here. I love the black and blue. I'm loving the black and blue. It's looking real nice. How y'all doing? What is y'all talking about over here? Y'all got a bike?
Business.
Y'all got a bike?
All in our business.
Okay, my bad. I just wanted to know what the people on the camera want to know. Like, what was y'all talking about? Y'all look like y'all was so into y'all conversation. Nah, I'm messing with y'all. It's nice meeting y'all. For sure. Of course, we got another 2024 here, man. And 2024s is slowly but surely starting to take over. So, man, every 24 we see, it might get the love it deserves, man. Until I can get my own personal 2024, we just gonna have to enjoy everybody else's, man. Y'all know what time it is. So, look, check me out. I believe this is a 2021 special, number 1 special. If it's not, yeah, I believe it's a 2021. This is my boy Wild Child, man. He say he got some hot stuff in this bike. Y'all see he got the Big Daddy air breather. If we zoom in back there, he got a nice little throttle body and stuff, man. So this is it looked like a sleeper right now, but the D&D and the throttle body tells me otherwise, man. So we're gonna have to see what he talking about. Maybe in the daytime when everybody racing and stuff, y'all just keep that on lock. We gonna see what's going on. We got another Street Glide right here. I'm talking too fast. That can't keep up. What's up, man? How you feeling? Good seeing you, man. Hell yeah, man. Tell them where we at one time.
We in Houston, my niggas.
Me in Houston. Hard Riders, the 24th, right?
But this New Orleans, nigga.
Oh, this New Orleans, though. Hey, come on, man.
All day.
Hey, so how many chapters do y'all got?
4.
4 chapters.
Yes.
Okay, what's the chapters, man?
Houston, New Orleans, Galveston, Beaumont.
And I didn't even, I swear, I only thought y'all had Houston. I didn't even know. So you teaching me something. I swear to you, I only thought y'all had, I didn't know. I'm not from over here. I didn't know.
No, you ain't from over here. Everybody know you ain't from
Look, he said everybody know. No, it's all good.
I know where you at.
Come on, man. I know now, though.
What you
I'm
on
with my
tonight?
guy.
What you on tonight?
I'm on a 23. It's over there behind the little Rolls Royce, man.
Bike?
Yeah. Come on, man.
You was on that bike last night, huh?
I was on it. Come on, man. You know what time it is. What's up, man? You over here quiet?
Man.
Come on, man. You better tell them where we at, man.
We in the H-Town.
Come on, man.
Hard Riders anniversary. We here.
Hard Riders, though, look, they all the way out from New Orleans. They acting like they brand new today. They ain't trying to talk or nothing. He said, look, I'm going to be real silent. Man, you better talk your stuff, man. Come on, man. Hey, so we going up all weekend or what, man?
Oh, yeah, dog.
Okay, I can't wait.
Oh, yeah.
So Saturday is the day.
Yes, sir.
It's the main day.
All day, all night.
Okay, I can't wait. So Saturday, I'm gonna be cutting up.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna save the cut up today. I'm gonna save it for Saturday.
Save it like game.
My guy, man. Good seeing you, bro. For sure. Man, let's see what else is out here. We got a few other motorcycles down here. I guess I'll walk all the way around. We got Escalade trucks back to back to back. Of course, we got bikes back to back to back. But ain't no other bikes over here. So, man, let's just go back this way and see what we got. Let's just go back this way and see what we got. Oh, he got the drone out today. He ain't playing. Let's see. Another Road Glide right here. I love the burgundy. I believe this is a 2021 Road Glide special. I love this burgundy color on that, man. That thing looks good. Of course, we got another trike. It look like he got the Big Daddy air breather on there now. One way we can tell if this bike is built or not, if you look behind there, it should show something like that throttle body on Wild Child's bike, like with a silver throttle body poking out. But he's got the air breather. He might just have the air breather and some other stuff. But all in all, he's on a trike, man. So he's sliding and gliding, man. The Big Daddy himself, man. Y'all see what time it is. Of course, we got the 2024 Road Glide in the Big Daddy gray. Silver on silver. Y'all know what time it is. I ain't gonna lie. These things is growing on me. They really are. I love these front ends. Man, you know I got the old daddy right now, man. So it's time for me to upgrade, man. So I might just give away my little CVR. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet to it. I don't know yet. But we gonna see what's good. This your bike? Who bike is this? This yours. You was telling nobody, so tell me about it, man. Tell us all about it. How about that?
It's a 24 Road Glide.
24.
Got out of Woodland, Texas, out in H-Town, Texas.
Big Daddy, come on, man.
117 black on black.
So how you like riding it?
Oh, man,
It feels comfortable,
man.
right?
Butter, baby.
Oh my God. You got pipes on here and all that?
No, man. I ain't like
He said, nah, man, not yet, man, not yet, man, not
Baby,
yet. It look good, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
It's on touchscreen.
I love this black, yeah. We got the touchscreen dash on here. This is like a whole iPad, man. If y'all didn't know, that's my hand. The whole screen is bigger than my hand, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. Where you from?
A-League, Texas, baby.
A-League, Texas, man. Y'all know what time it is. It's a movie, man.
All the time.
Hell yeah, man. Y'all know what's up with y'all, though, man. How you feeling?
I see you all the time on YouTube.
Oh, it's love, man.
Yeah.
Tell them where we at then.
Hey, we up in Houston holding it down, our 24th anniversary.
Come on, Hard Riders, man. It's Kobe here, ain't it?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Come on, man. You know what time. What's up with you, man? How you feeling?
All right.
Good seeing you, man. Where you from?
Oh, I'm originally from Atlanta, but I live right here in H-Town.
Okay, how you liking the H, man?
Man, I love the H. I
Love the H.
love the H. I ain't leaving this motherfucker.
You said I ain't leaving. I'm with you. I ain't leaving
This
either.
is the old Atlanta. When the old Atlanta, not that weird shit.
Right.
This is motherfucking.
It's all good. So check me out. Street Glide or Road Glide? What you on?
Road Glide.
The Big Daddy. Okay. Okay. I was just making sure. I was just making sure, man. It's all good, man. It's all good.
Road glide. Once you go road glide,
You can't go back. I swear, I thought I was the only one. I thought I was the only one, man. It's good seeing you, man. Nice meeting you, bro. I made you.
you too, man.
For sure, for sure. Nice meeting you, bro. For sure, nice meeting you, man. Hell yeah. For sure, love. Man, y'all see him out here, road glides back to back to back.
It's Houston Block Bleeders, man.
Say it again.
Hey, Houston Block Bleeders with a Z on Instagram, baby.
Man, y'all go follow him right now, man. He gonna get you right. You wanna see the flyest new road glide on the block? Come on, man. He gonna get you right. It's a movie.
Always.
Oh my God, nice meeting you, man. Come on. Let's see. They got something going on down here. It look like they got something brewing. Oh, they got the Big Daddy over here. What is it, a 30 on that thing?
Yes, 30.
Oh my God. He got the 30 on that joint. Look at see. Let me see, man. He got the 30 on there. That is insane. With the speakers in the boombox on the back. Straight hogging, of course. Hold on, let me zoom into that. Straight hogging, come on, man. Let me zoom into that. I love these 30s on this bike. I need a bike with some 30s, man. If y'all want me to get a bike with some 30s, man, y'all let me know in the comments below. It's about to be a movie. Details and everything on this joint, man. It's looking real good. They flying out of here. They flying out of here, man. What's up with you, man? How you feeling?
What's up, my nigga?
Good seeing you, man. It's another day in paradise,
All
man.
day, baby.
Tell them where we at one time.
Hey, H-Town, 24 year
He
anniversary.
said 20, I forgot what year it was.
Baby,
Look.
we've been doing this since 2000.
Come on, man. Every day, man.
Every
it's a movie.
day, every day is a goddamn
My
movie.
God, man. It's Kobe year. We about to go up. So look, you know Saturday is like the best day, right?
Yes, sir.
So you
Yes,
gonna be
sir.
ready?
I'm always ready.
We
baby.
basically pre-gaming right now, right?
Hey, we just getting warmed up.
Hey, come on, man, my
we just
God.
getting warmed up.
It's love,
Yes,
man. Good
indeed.
seeing you,
Yes,
man.
indeed. Yes,
For
indeed.
sure, man. Y'all want to pop out? We at Hard Riders all weekend, right?
All fucking weekend.
All
baby.
weekend.
This is day 2.
Come on,
We're
day
gonna run
2.
it all the way through Sunday. So bring your ass on out and fuck with us.
It's
Come
about
ride
to
with
be a
them
movie.
flames.
Come on,
Ride
man.
with the fucking flames,
Look,
baby.
look, I'm with half. Well, let me see.
Half dance.
I'm with half dance
Half
today.
dance,
Come on,
believe
man.
that.
The guy himself. Come on, this how you rocking?
That's it, man.
Man, tell me about your bike, man.
Oh, 2011, man. Got a little something done to it.
Little oohs and ahs
Little
done
oohs
to
and
it.
ahs, yeah, you know,
Let
old
me check
class.
him out. Let me check him out. Let me check him out, man. Let me check him out.
Good, they keep up-
Okay, you got the CVO wheels on there.
Oh, yeah.
I love them. I ain't gonna lie, I love them. I love the chrome. See, I know you an OG because
Old
you
school.
did all chrome.
Oh, they all chrome.
You
Yeah.
OG. I ain't gonna say OG. You OG.
OG.
I love the OGs,
Hey, look,
man.
Got a little flip
They
out on
taught
that
us
motherfucker.
well.
You know, I got the old school fire.
Oh, with the old school thing, it's all love, man.
Yes, sir.
I love the color on this joint. It's
Appreciate
cool.
it. Yes, sir.
Come on, man. Love.
100, man.
Y'all know what time it is, man. Y'all like the bike? Let me know in the comments below, man. Road glides or nothing. You guys know I love the road glides. So, if y'all like the street glides, let me know why and all that in the comments below, man. Come on. Let's see what else we got out here. Let's see what else we got out here. We got another road glide. I love his headlights on there. So these wheels are from the 2024 CVOs. He got the upgraded aftermarket headlight. Nice 107 on that thing, chrome down and all that. Of course, we got the Chucky doll on the back of the back. Come on, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. It's time to go up. It's time to go up, man. What's up, man? How y'all feeling?
What's up,
How you feeling, man? Good seeing you, man.
Man,
It's all good. Get it together. I'm gonna wait for you. Don't worry about it.
How you been, man?
Man, another day in paradise for me. I've been cooling. I can't complain. What's up, man? How you feeling?
Good to see you, homie.
Likewise. What's up? Nice meeting you, man. Hell yeah. What's up, man? What's
up, baby?
How you feeling?
Know the boy.
Good seeing you, man. Man, tell them where we at one time, man.
We right here, A1 Cigar Lounge.
Going up.
Hey, we new to the game.
Come on, it's all
we
good.
coming through.
You true to it though.
We true to it.
Come on, man. It's love.
right, all right.
So what you riding today, man?
I'm right there, the road glide.
Okay, as long as you said road glide. As long as you said road glide, it's love. He got the 2021 Big Daddy on there. You know I had one of these, right? The same color scheme. I love this color scheme. This is the 2022, ain't it?
Exactly.
Come on, man. I know exactly what it was. Oh, man. Y'all know what time it is. We out here. We got the road glides back to 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 back, man. It's about to be a movie up here, man. I literally just walked through the parking lot. I haven't even walked inside yet. So once we walk inside, man, we gonna get y'all right. Like I said, it's been a long day. Y'all see me sweating bullets. I got a fresh haircut, my edge up, sweating out and everything, man. So this for y'all. So just know, next week, I'm gonna send y'all the bill for my haircut. I'm gonna send y'all the tab for my haircut next week. Mr. Hard Riders and all that. The big dogs are the big dogs. So I'm gonna send y'all my haircut tab, but it's all good. We gonna have a ball today, man. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We about to get up in here and see what it's looking like on the inside, man. Come rock with me.